everyone! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be sharing one of my favorite salad recipe. Without further ado, let's get started with the sauce. In a bowl, put in the tahini paste, garlic powder, chili flakes, black pepper, salt, lemon juice and olive oil. Check out my previous video for the recipe of tahini paste. That is all for the sauce. You may proceed to put the veggie of your choice. You can also add boiled egg or chicken to make your salad more filling. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any new video. Till next time, bye!